So hello, today I'm going to show you in this new video the new excavator. This is the excavator that I'm building. Yeah, I take the part, like as you can see, it's a hydraulic cylinder. This is the shower to cylinder. Here I replaced the hydraulic pump, and here you have this valve controller, and here you have the battery pack that I made by myself. As you can see, it's made of around 9 cells, and inside here you can see this is the BMS, this is the bar, and here is one motor gear for the rotation of the platform, and this is the main gear. Everything is printed, it's 3D printed. So this is the main gear, this is where it's connected. This is the arm that I welded by myself. This is one bolt to fix this. This here the pipe for the hydraulic system. And here the more interesting part is the chain. It's also 3D printed. And here you have like it's kind of wheels. It's a wheel chain, and this is another wheel, support wheel. This is another wheel. All are connected with the screws. You can see it's on more than 100 blocks made of small blocks. All are 3D printed. Yeah, you can see this is how it looks like. This is the just the wheel. Yeah, you insert here and then you put for the next side. So yeah, I can show you now how the chain look like. It's here, and then give it just for whatever on that, so like this, and then we pull the excavator. So yeah, let us take a look downside. As you can see here, there are 2 gear motor with high torque gear motor, for one each side, one back, 2 backs, and in front I can show you in front. You can also see in front there's also 2 gear motor. The other side there is no chain, there's nothing. That's why what I want to fix today, I also want to mount this the second chain with these wheels on the chain, so and fix some hydraulics part. Okay.